Hello everyone. In last video, I have set deadline to learn Tailwind in this week. Like I had 5 days. I started on Monday, and including Monday, I had 5 days till Saturday. Saturday, let's also include Saturday. So 6 days. I gave myself to learn Tailwind, and I think that is more than enough time. I learned it well. I will show you what project I have made and how many nights I haven't slept. I will tell you everything in this video. I will not compare the actual website that I will do in another video because I'm too tired and I will sleep. And tomorrow I will make those videos. So I have learned Tailwind CSS because I have already practiced the plain CSS. So I thought of learning this any framework over the CSS. So I decided Tailwind CSS over Bootstrap. So it was fun learning this, and I have read a lot of documentation. The documentation is very well written. You should definitely go with the documentation rather than going on any YouTube tutorial to teach you that. So how did I learn? I started with this video, Tailwind Crash Course Project from Scratch by Traversy Media. I've been following Traversy Media from a long time, and it has really good video. So first I have seen this video and made the project. So what project they have tried? They tried a project from Front End Mentor Challenge. So it was a good project. This challenge, I will post the links into the description. This challenge I have tried. So it was totally well feeded to me. I totally followed the video and learned how the syntax works in Tailwind and how the basic thing works. So that gave me the idea about the basic structure of Tailwind, because that's what I needed the most. I cannot waste a lot of time on reading the documentation of the basic stuffs. So I did this project, although this project also took one day, the whole day it took. And then I got some confidence on Tailwind. So then later I started working on 3 websites. So I will show you one by one. So first one is Rode Microphone. It is the main website. I have created this website using Tailwind. So let me show you my work. I'll post all those links. So I have hosted this website on Netlify. So I have made its clone. So you see, and believe me, it was way easier to do these websites media responsive using Tailwind than using the plain CSS. That's what my input is. I liked it. I did not use any what components, because the plain Tailwind was way more better, was way more attractive to me than using the component and then modify them. I was finding it a lot of time wastage. So that's why I chose only plain Tailwind. Okay, so now there was a plain CSS, now there is a plain Tailwind. Also, this website I created, it is totally mobile responsive, or it is responsible for all the medias. So how can we check this? Just click on this button and then let's select it responsive. So now you can vary this and check that for how many width, this is the width of the device, for what width your website will be responsive. So I've seen it for all the width from mobile 300 to up to 1600, or for higher devices also, it is working totally fine. So I will compare one by one between my website and Rode Microphone in the later part of in another video. Okay, so the another website that I have made was Shopify. Why Shopify? Because I was recommended Shopify has a very good structure of website. So for the best practices of writing CSS, HTML, I chose this website. So this is the main Shopify.in website, right? And this is the website I have created. I still have to learn how to do the things on this video that I have embedded here. Like the original website have this button here, which will make it running or stop or pause. But I do not have this. I have continuously running video. I can make it stop at the starting, but I have made it autoplay. Okay, so I think I have to learn JavaScript to do all these things. Okay, that will be fun. Let's try. We'll try it. we will update this website. So I tried my best to make it the pixel perfect website. Again, the comparison of this website and the main website will be done in another video, right? And it is also mobile responsive. Let me show you quickly. So let's see only the header part or this part. So you see all this is mobile responsive, not responsive for all devices. I need to learn a lot of terminologies. You see, it's looking great. So now, if any of you, if do not know how we use the Chrome developer tools, you need to learn them, because they are very much handy while developing the website, while creating a website, and you can just see it live how your website will look on various devices. They have selected some devices here. You can edit them also, and then by selecting responsive, you can vary it and check for each and every dimension, right? So this is very much handy. You should learn these web developer tools that I have selected here. Okay, so the final website that I have created is Paytm. This is paytm.com official website. Why I chose this website? Because you see, it's not looking good at all. So the first purpose was to make it look better, and then to make it responsive. You see, this website is not at all responsive. See how it is behaving. Yes, not responsive. No. So this website totally breaking. I don't know what Paytm developers are doing, but this website totally breaking. Although no one use Paytm.com mobile version, there's no use. People use web app, so they're working on app only. But I thought that it was a good chance to learn Tailwind by just fixing the Paytm for mobile. So I did that. This is my work. I'm not very proud of it, because this was the first project I have started with Paytm after learning from that Traversy Media video. So I tried my best, but still it's not pixel perfect. I will try to update it somewhere in the future, but I gave my best. That's what I'm proud of. I have did three projects, including Traversy Media. It was 4 in 1 week, and now I'm confident that I can do any project using Tailwind. So that is a good part, because if I will take any Udemy course for Tailwind, it will take more than 15 days or 3 weeks if I will give a daily time, a lot of time. But by doing project, I learned a lot. Like this learn more button, I have to reconfigure it. So all these small things I have done, but it was great by learning this Tailwind thing by doing project. So this was my project on Paytm. It is also mobile responsive. At least I tried it to be mobile responsive. It is still better than the original Paytm website. You see, all these buttons are just responsive. You see, like this. They all are responsive. Okay, so that was it. All these 3 websites I have posted on Netlify. So in next 3 videos, I will compare one by one of each website. Maybe I will not do for Paytm. I will do only for Shopify and Road, because right now I'm only confident for them. I still have to do a lot of uh, things on Paytm that I will do somewhere in the future. So that's it, folks. Let me know, did you like it or not? I will post all the links in the description. Thank you for watching.